National Beekeeping Centre Wales at Bodnant is a vital part of keeping the education, the promotion and the development of beekeeping in North Wales and Wales itself. We mainly get the local beekeeping clubs, Conway, coming to us, visitors, we have a bee club, we have lots of activities going on at the centre. But what we really rely on are our volunteers, and we need more volunteers. We have a visitor centre which is staffed predominantly by our volunteers, and they assist with answering questions, serving the customers who come in and want to buy our honey and other things. And then we run bee tours, and we need people to help take the people on the bee tours. We have a club, a bee club, which our members help, our volunteers I should say, help on. And also we run courses for aspiring beekeepers. And again, on those, it's useful to have a few volunteers along just to help. When you've got 20 people on a course, it does help to have a volunteer or two to help in the wings. If they're involved with food or animals, then we've got the bees. We can train people up to assist with bee tours, and they get to look in the hives and they see what's going on, and they can connect honey, production of honey and the food side of things with the animal side of things as well, and where it all comes from. And a great understanding that it isn't just on a supermarket shelf, but a lot of honey comes from local producers. It just gives people a better understanding of the close association with bees and the environment, and how important they are for the creation of our food, not just honey, but for the fertilisation of crops, which we rely so heavily upon. Well, you can come along to the centre and say you want to be a volunteer, or you can volunteer online. We have a website, and you can log on to that, and it will come through to me, and I'm the coordinator, and I'll get in touch with people and bring them in. We run an induction where we take people through everything they need to know, whether it's assisting in the centre or becoming an assistant on the bee tours, or if they're an experienced beekeeper, actually being a bee tour leader.